If you like to stargaze, you can witness a rare parade of planets in about 25 minutes.
7 planets will all align tonight and again tomorrow night. You should be able to see Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, and Saturn with the naked eye. You'll need binoculars or a telescope to see Uranus and Neptune. The best time to look is when the sun begins to set at around 5:40, and it won't last long, just a few minutes. But look to the southwest and keep your fingers crossed.
Right. Well, meteorologist David Yeomans in the weather sphere now. David, we should have a good view tonight to see this just for the few minutes we have it.
That's right, Joe and Erica. That window was chosen 5:40 because the sun sets at 5:38. So right at or just after sundown is when you want to look toward the southwest. That's a reason we'll have a good view. Also because we have a new moon. So there's no moon, no light pollution, which will interrupt your view. As far as the clouds, let's take you to the floor now, and you can see that the clouds that we've had to deal with for parts of the day today are now breaking from Chicago westward. Notice as the sun goes down on this great high-resolution view from space, we're seeing a nice clearing in the sky. Again, that should be good news if you want to look toward the southwest and catch that celestial phenomenon a little bit later, not long from right now. Let's get to your forecast. We've got a windy stretch ahead of us. I know you've heard the wind outside of your house all day today. The winds get stronger tomorrow and they continue on Saturday. They're coming from different directions though, so they have a big swing in temperatures near record highs along with them tomorrow, but much colder temperatures coming in on a north wind this weekend. It all has to do with this big storm system which is zipping our way on a northwest flow aloft from Canada. Ahead of this storm and underneath it tomorrow, we're in the warm sector, so no rain, no snow, just 40 to 50 mile per hour westerly winds and near record high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Late in the day though, here comes a strong cold front from that same system pouring Arctic air into our area. We're talking about temperatures below freezing all day on Saturday with a few snow flurries, most likely east of Chicago in the lake effect areas of northwest Indiana. Certainly a big drop of about 30 degrees between Friday's heat and Saturday's chill. Let's fast forward a few days. I want to put this on your radar, your first alert on a major spring storm zipping through the country on Tuesday and Wednesday. With this storm, we expect a big severe weather outbreak in the Arklatex region far south of us. But starting late Tuesday, rain, thunderstorms, and strong winds. We may see over an inch of rain locally in our preliminary projections right now. Then strong winds continue Wednesday on the backside of it, and rain may turn to some wet snow. We'll keep you advised on the specifics of how much snow we may see as it becomes clearer a few days from right now. Tonight's forecast, clearing skies and winds relaxing, at least for a little bit. Low temperatures drop to the mid-30s. Tomorrow, 58, just shy of a record high with a wind advisory in effect. Warm tomorrow, but much colder this weekend. Only 30 with morning flurries Saturday. A nicer day with less wind on Sunday. Next week, here we go. Warm rain turning to wet snow on Wednesday. Joe, Erica?
All right. Thank you, David.